Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of access failed on the application of Remitly. You will go to settings, on this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Remitly app and you will enter. You will find it, you will find it here. Then we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget